Excellence in ballast water treatment. High-performance UV replacements by Fiveruvc. In the global maritime industry, maintaining a compliant and efficient ballast water treatment system, BWTS, is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a commitment to marine biosafety. For vessels equipped with BSKY BWTS, the heart of the sterilization process lies in the quality of the UV lamps in quartz sleeves. Fiveruvc, a leading professional manufacturer, is proud to offer a comprehensive range of premium, cost-effective replacement solutions designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern shipping. Engineering precision for BSKY systems. The BSKY system relies on high-intensity UV radiation to neutralize invasive aquatic organisms. At Fiveruvc, we have engineered our replacement components to match or exceed the performance of original equipment. Our product line covers the most widely used BSKY models. Why choose Fiveruvc? 1. Professional manufacturing. Unlike general distributors, we are direct manufacturers. Every UV lamp and quartz sleeve is produced under strict quality control protocols, ensuring stable UV output and a long operational lifespan. This translates to fewer maintenance intervals and lower long-term costs. 2. High-purity quartz sleeves. The quartz sleeve is the only barrier between the high-voltage UV lamp and the seawater. Our sleeves are manufactured using high-purity quartz glass, providing maximum UV transmittance, ensuring the highest possible UVC dose reaches the water. Thermal stability, resistance to the extreme temperature fluctuations within the reactor. Mechanical strength, built to withstand the pressure and vibration of a working engine room. 3. Cost-effective compliance. Maintaining maritime compliance shouldn't break the bank. By streamlining our manufacturing process and focusing on the BSKY series, Fiveruvc provides a budget-friendly alternative without compromising on the safety or effectiveness of your BWTS. Global reach, reliable support. Time is of the essence when a vessel is in port. Fiveruvc is dedicated to providing fast lead times and reliable global shipping to ensure your BSKY system stays operational wherever your fleet may be. Whether you are looking for a single replacement or a full fleet overhaul, our team of experts is ready to assist you in selecting the correct components for your specific BSKY model. Protect your vessel. Protect the oceans. Trust Fiveruvc.